Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you a quick question. How much money are you throwing away every single month on multiple streaming apps, premium subscriptions, and bloated cable packages? It is absolutely ridiculous, right? You're paying all that cash, you sit down on the couch, and you still spend half an hour just flipping through menus trying to find something to watch. Well, what if I told you that you could completely clean off your Amazon Firestick today, install just 2 secret applications, and unlock every single movie, TV show, and live sporting event for completely free? In today's video, I am breaking down the 2 absolute greatest Firestick apps of all time. We are talking about HDO Box for instant, one-click movies, and Sportz for zero-cost live TV and sports. I'm going to guide you through the setup using Unlinked, keep it super simple, and get your TV fully loaded. If you are ready to stop being overcharged and completely free your TV, just sit right there, because we are diving into it right now. Alright, so you want to clear out the junk and turn your Firestick into an all-in-one entertainment powerhouse. Let's start from scratch and show you exactly how easy this is. Turn on your device and make sure you're on the main home screen. We need to go into the official Amazon App Store to download our gateway tool. Take your remote and slide over to the left until you highlight that magnifying glass. The digital keypad is going to pop right up. We are searching for an app called Downloader. Watch this. I'm literally just going to enter the very first letter D, and boom, it shows up on the list right below us. You don't need to waste time typing the whole thing out. Just drop down, click on Downloader, and it will take you straight to this bright orange tile. Click on it one more time, hit that center button to install it, and let it download. Now, once it finishes, it's going to give you the option to open it. Don't open it just yet. Go ahead and hit the home button on your remote. We need to change a couple of quick settings first. Because before we can load up our secret apps, we need to unlock the Firestick, so it actually allows us to install them. From your home menu, push all the way to the right side of the screen and click on that settings gear. Slide down the menu and click right into My Fire TV. Now we need to find developer options. If it's missing from your screen, do not panic at all. It is a super easy fix. Just click right here on About. Then, while highlighting the exact name of your Firestick at the top of the list, tap the center button on your remote exactly 7 times. A little message will pop up at the bottom saying, "No need, you are already a developer." The second you see that message, click your back button 1 time, and look at that, Developer Options is right there on your screen. Let's click into it. First, highlight ADB Debugging and click it once to turn it on. Next, slide down and open Install Unknown Apps. Find our orange downloader app on the list, click it 1 time and make sure it says ON. Perfect. Now your Firestick is officially unlocked. Go ahead and hit the home button. Now let's go open up that brand new downloader app we just prepped. Slide over to your apps list, find Downloader, and open it up. Make sure you hit Allow when it asks for permissions so it can save files to your device. You'll see a little red circle on your screen that you can control with your remote's directional pad. Guide that red circle straight up to the top URL search bar and click it. The keypad is going to pop up. This is where we type in the address to grab our main app vault. Type out exactly this, unlinked.link. Verify it's spelled correctly, and hit go. Give the page a quick second to load. Now, push down on your remote to bring back that red circle, and scroll down the page until you find the black button that says Download Android App. Put your circle right on it and click it once. The download will start instantly. When it's finished, the system will ask if you want to install it. Slide over, hit Install, and give it a moment. Once the installation is fully complete, please click the word Done. Clicking Done brings us right back into Downloader, giving us the chance to delete that temporary setup file so it doesn't clutter your storage. Click Delete, slide over, and click Delete 1 more time. Perfect. Let's head back to the home screen. We have one last quick security toggle before we open up our new store. Slide back over to your settings gear. Drop down into My Fire TV, open up Developer Options, and select Install Unknown Apps. This time around, you are going to see that Unlinked has popped up on the list. Highlight it, click it once, and make sure it is turned on. Now that both Downloader and Unlinked are completely configured, hit your Home button. It is time to open the vault. Step 5. Inside the vault and the 2 greatest apps. Go ahead and open your apps list, slide all the way to the end, and launch Unlinked. The first thing it's going to ask you to do is add a new library. Click your center button twice. Once, twice. The keypad is going to pull up so you can enter the secret store code. Now guys, I have put a massive amount of hours into building and maintaining this private app store, keeping everything updated so you guys only get the best links. All I ask in return for sharing this exclusive vault with you for free is that you take just one quick second to smash that subscribe button right below this video. I am pushing hard for my channel goals, and I absolutely cannot do it without your help. Drop a comment saying thank you down below. Now that you're subscribed, enter this master code, everything. Click Next. Read the quick welcome message and tap your center button twice to enter the store. Welcome inside. Let's grab the only 2 apps you will ever need to completely replace cable. HDO box. Scroll down until you find HDO box. Click it, hit download, and then hit install. This app is the absolute gold standard for movies and TV shows. It uses an incredible one-click interface. You don't have to scrape through hundreds of broken links or wait for buffers. You just click on what you want to watch, and it plays instantly in beautiful HD. Sportz. Slide right down to the live entertainment section and find Sportz. Hit download and click install. This app is a pure powerhouse for live television. It has dedicated streams for all your weekend football matches, basketball games, live news networks, and even premium pay-per-view cards completely unlocked. Now guys, I want to be 100% transparent with you about how streaming works. While HDO Box is absolutely flawless for movies, free sports apps like Sportz run on public servers. When a massive Sunday game or a huge championship fight comes on, millions of people log onto that exact same free link at the exact same time. The server gets crushed, and your screen will start freezing and buffering right before the big play. If you want a truly premium VIP cable experience with absolutely zero buffering, you need a private server. That is exactly why I personally use Mint IPTV. I have placed safe, direct links to Mint IPTV right at the top of the description box and pinned in the comment section below. Mint IPTV gives you a dedicated, private streaming lane that completely bypasses those overloaded free servers. For literally pennies a day, you get over 22,000 live channels, local networks, and every single sports package with absolutely zero blackouts. Once you select a plan, they email you a private username and password. 9 times out of 10, when people tell me their live streams are lagging, I tell them to upgrade to Mint IPTV, and it completely fixes their TV instantly. Now that you have HDO Box for your movies and Sportz for your live sports, hit that home button on your remote. You are officially ready to cancel those overpriced cable bills and enjoy your entertainment the way it was meant to be. If this step-by-step guide helped you out today, please do me a massive favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another cord-cutting update. Drop a thumbs up on this video to help beat the algorithm, and make sure to share this video with a friend or neighbor who is tired of paying too much for TV. Thank you guys so much for watching. Get your setups ready, and I will see you all again real soon in the very next video.